Hi guys, this is Teacher Jason. If bago ka pa lang sa vlog ko, mag-follow, comments, and share. Kapag maramihang certificates ang ginagawa, karamihan sa atin nagma-manual input kung ano ang ilalagay sa certificates kagaya ng pangalan at ibang impormasyon, which is for me, hassle and time consuming. In this vlog, I will teach you how to make bulk certificates in 4 easy steps, hassle-free and easy peasy. Ang first requirement ay dapat meron na tayong ginawang certificate template sa Microsoft Word para madali na lang tayong maglagay ng input. And second requirement is dapat meron ng information na nakalagay sa Microsoft Excel. Dapat may header, name, may header na honors, example, header average. Then let's go back to Microsoft Word, yung certificate template. Ito yung halimbawang ginawa kong certificate template. Unang gagawin ay pindutin ang mailings between references and review. Step 1, click select recipients. Pindutin yan at i-click ang use an existing list since meron na tayong ginawang Excel at hanapin ang file na yon at i-click. Step 2 is highlight the name. Step 3, click insert merge field and click name. Sa honors and average, just highlight the honors. Click insert merge field, honors. I-highlight ang average and click insert merge field and average. Pag okay na lahat, teacher, last step na tayo. Click finish and merge. Click edit individual documents. And voila! Andyan na lahat yung mga pangalan, yung honors nila at with average pa, andyan na lahat. With these 4 easy steps, natapos natin lahat ang certificates, hassle-free, easy peasy, and definitely not rocket science.